Add interest and height to your space by hanging curtains from the ceiling. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need for this easy installation. Start by measuring from the ceiling to the bottom of where you want your curtain to hang. This measurement will help you determine the best hardware and curtain panels for your space. Using a pencil, mark the ceiling where you plan to install the curtain rod brackets or ceiling hooks. Allow ample space between the rod and the wall for installation. For heavier rods, keep the brackets in place by first installing anchors. Then install the curtain rod brackets using a screwdriver or power drill. Slide the curtain or drapery hooks onto the rod and place it on the mounting brackets. Check that the bracket screws are tight and that the rod is locked into place. Now that you know how easy it is to hang curtains from the ceiling, you can enjoy this look anywhere in your home. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.